good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Today is the day, Dyno day. We about to make it happen, man. We got a Dyno session today. Finally, about to go make it. See what Dolo doing, man. We got it fine-tuned. Went in the shop. We changed the distributor. New MLD box on the car. I got the phone call. Aunt said it even sound different. It's better because we got more fire. So obviously the car needed more spark. More spark doesn't hurt. So that's a good thing. That's a plus. So yeah, man, we done made some changes, a few changes, and we got new plugs in it. Like I said, I got the nitrous plugs right here. Got to shout out to my boy Jeff, 918 Motorsports. Y'all know he the one that got me the card bracket. These the nitrous plugs right here. It's a 9. It's a 9 as far as the heat range, and we got the racing gas. Good to go. There's some stuff I gotta take back, man. This belt. Got the coil wire. And I don't have a coil bracket, man. I need an MSD coil bracket. I forgot they don't come with it. But we can lay it up there some just for the dyno. So I'm hook the coil wire up. They're just a little switch. I'm gonna try this, man. Maybe it might fit around it. It's actually a bracket that held the factory fuel pump that was on Dolo. So I'm gonna take it, man. Maybe we can make it work or whatever for the car, but yep. So I'm getting everything loaded up in the car. Got to head to the shop and get to the. We're gonna put it in the trailer. We're gonna take it over there on the trailer. So yep. After that, it's gonna be dyno time. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, we checking in, y'all. Over here at the shop. Got everything. Got everything done. We got the new Pro Billet distributor. We got the box on, all of that. And somebody said in the video too, like I said, that's why I said I be appreciating y'all too. The gauge wire, he said, Aunt called me this morning too. But he liked the wire. It wasn't a big enough gauge running to the alternator. This thing take a 6 gauge. 8, my bad, take an 8 gauge wire. I had a 10 on there, I think, 10 or 12. So he getting that straightened out. Then he put it. You already did timing, ain't you? Oh, okay. So he got his timing light was gone from right down the street. He letting somebody use, so just gotta set the time. Yeah, exactly. Already said. Yeah, when you loan it out, you need it for real, boy. And when you ain't using it, when you don't need it, it just be sitting. But it got the natural aspirated plugs in it right now. I got well, y'all know I got nitrous plugs in the car. We gotta put fuel in here and check, make sure it ain't leaking and all that good stuff. But yep, other than that, we ready to go. We just doing this so to charge or whatever. We get it charging like it's supposed to. And yep, so y'all just stay tuned. Next time y'all see it, we ought to be at the dyno. So just stay tuned. Alright, we checking in, y'all. This been a messed up day. Tell y'all that. We ain't going no dyno today. Well, for one, they said they can't run the dyno when it's raining, so that ain't happening. I don't know when we're gonna go to the dyno, but I mean, anyway, we'll get there. But anyway, see this right here? This thing here bad. And it ain't nothing I did. I'm like, man, This thing just stopped charging, man. It stopped charging before we even changed the bracket. Cause I'm like, man, when we ran, the wire was off of it. Forgot to hook it up. Put the wire back on it. Now it ain't charging. Nothing arc, none of that. I just took this thing and had it check. The regulator burn up in it. Or something wrong with the regulator, it said. Asked them what caused it. Said sometimes they just bad. Only thing I did, take this out the car, change the pulley on it. And now, this junk don't work. So now I gotta go all the way back up there, go swap this out and get another one, man. This, see, I tell you what, stuff like that get frustrating, man. It's $200 alternator. And now I gotta take it back. And it costing time, not only me, everybody. Costing folk time and stuff. Like I said, gotta get, man, this is the second time. This is the second time the dyno session had to be rescheduled. So I don't know, man. It'll get done, but y'all just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, checking in. Super clean ride right here. Super clean, man. This thing here nice. This a breath of fresh air compared to the day I've been having so far. Done all the way up Pat Meadows. Real nice, man. This thing here immaculate. Real classic right here. Y'all know these the ones worth the money right here. This car right here, this the one worth the money. And I'm talking about it's flawless too. It's flawless. Y'all see that black paint like a mirror? Oh yeah. That's it right here now. This is it. Y'all know I'm gonna get y'all the sound clip when it get ready to take off. Cause this thing here nasty. But yep, y'all stay tuned.
How close it is?
Yeah. Yeah, you need to go back.
Short. But this car ain't been cleaned up in a while, man. I usually don't let it get this dirty, but
This thing is, it's still, he said it's dirty, but it's clean though. It's still clean.
when I first did it, I ain't had an interior like that. But I felt like that brightened the car a little bit by changing the interior out like that.
Yeah, the interior look good.
Who did it?
The car here nice.
Interior.
The car sound good, y'all. That thing nasty, y'all. That thing nasty right before the rain finna come. So y'all just stay tuned. Thing sound good. Dirty work. Tell us about dirty work. thing sound good, man. Shout out to my boy Dirty Works, man. He be tuning in every day. You said it what? The little stain, this thing here tonight, man.
Hey, you can't make that.
Gonna have this gonna have this thing coming out very soon. Y'all just stay tuned. Alright. So I made it back to the house, man. Finna disassemble this raggedy mother, boy, I tell you. That made me mad, man. I ain't even finna lie. My whole mold been off. The whole day. My whole mold been off, man. Ever since that happened. Like I said, the dyno, they explained everything that happened with the dyno. Like I said, they contacted me back, man, and they were like, they can't run the dyno when it's raining. So, that what happened with the dyno. Not this, I mean, we still could have ran the car. So that what happened with the dyno, that one thing. Then find out we tested this thing ain't charging. This thing ain't charging, probably never have been charging, to be honest with you. It wasn't the way I had it hooked up to one wire. Yeah, I ain't have a heavy enough gauge wire, but when this thing starts spinning, hey, it do what it do. It ain't my fault. I don't know what happened. Sometimes, they go to show you, that's why I show y'all everything. Sometimes you can still spend the money and still something wrong. Cause I had this thing checked, man, by a guy been building an alternator for years in my hometown. And the regulator, he said the regulator in the alternator is burnt up. Which, or not working, or I don't know the right term, what he said, the exact terminology, like I said, but basically the regulator not working. And this thing internally regulated, and it's not working. So, and I bought this brand spanking new, man. I ain't did nothing but put it on the car. Ain't no wires, arc, none of that. I ain't do nothing but put it on the car, and it ain't working. So, and I got to go, it's just an inconvenience. I got to go all the way back. Go take this thing back, and I gotta take all this off. Like it's just inconvenient, man. These cars, man, I'm really getting tired of them, man. I'm spending thousands of dollars. To be all the way real, I'm spending thousands of dollars. Seem like, man, every 2 weeks, or at least $200-300, man. That stuff add up, and then when you having to go through stuff like this, it make you be like, man, forget it. When you having to go through stuff like this, man, then you bouncing around from one car to the next, like, boy, I tell you. So, I don't know, man. Like I said, I just been frustrated today. My whole day off cost of this. It's $200, man. My whole day off. I gotta get up tomorrow, and it just, man, the whole day just been off, man. Then, like I said, I couldn't dyno today. That got me too. Cause I'm like, man, I don't stay right down the street from my hometown, man. It been 2 times now, like, it been 2 days, like, I had to reschedule. I'm like, man, I don't know, between that and then this right here, I'm like, boy, I don't know. So after I get there, I'm gonna take this, man, get it back, and like I said, Dolo still waiting on stuff. I gotta get the seat put in and little stuff like that. I can't even drive the car really like that. So I mean, after this right here, man, I'm probably gonna I'm finna get off of that one. I'm gonna get back on my Camaro. My Camaro, the only car pretty much that, I mean, it running dry. The only problems I ever had, they call transmission problem. I break a transmission, but I'm about to get off these boxes for a minute, man. These boxes about to have to sit for a minute. So my plan is to get the Camaro ready before next week. No, 2 weeks. August 15th, man. So if you ain't doing that August 15th, I'm gonna try to be a Headhunters dragway with the Camaro and bring it back out. Try all the new stuff out, the CO2 and all that. Cause I gotta get a break from these other two, man. I'm tired of fooling with them. I'm gonna be honest with you, cause this shit just costing money, man. Like more money. I'm tired of spending money, man. I spend thousands of dollars, literally, no lie. And I'm not even trying to brag. It's just that's the truth of the matter. I spend thousands of dollars, man, between all of these cars. And I'm having to, like, this ain't even me. This ain't even my fault. But, you know, it happened. It is what it is. So, tomorrow, I'm going to take this raggedy motherfucker back. Go get another one. I'm going to put all the pulley stuff back on it. Then, get it back on the car. If it mess up after that, hey, man, I'm done with that brand. I mean, like I said, they make good stuff, but right here, this is a bad experience for me. I ain't saying all this stuff bad, because they do make some good stuff, but this right here is a bad experience for me. And I ain't do this. So, I don't want to see nobody no comments. Well, you did. Nah, I ain't did nothing. I have not burned up no alternator. I did not burn no alternator up, man. But it is what it is. Like I said, sometimes you get faulty products. It can happen. You can buy stuff brand spanking new, and it be faulty. So that's it. I'm done talking, man. I'm done rambling and all that. I'm frustrated. I don't get on camera and cap. I'm frustrated because I'm spending thousands of dollars. Said this is a $200 alternator on the floor. And I gotta take it back. I couldn't dyno today. I'm scrambling to get that done, man. It's gonna be a wrap, man. It's gonna be a wrap. Well, yep, that's it. I'm finna take this thing out. I'm going in the house. I ain't doing nothing. So I catch y'all tomorrow, man. I'm gonna go up to Summit. I probably ain't even gonna film that though, man. I'm just gonna take this back, and we'll see what we get into tomorrow. So appreciate everybody. I'm out.